Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of glowing, youthful skin. And the best part? You don't need expensive creams or filters. All you need is the right food. That's right. In this video, we'll uncover 5 powerful antioxidant-rich foods that can slow aging, fight wrinkles, and keep your skin looking radiant naturally. Let's get started. Number 1. Blueberries, the skin's best friend. Tiny but mighty. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from sun damage, pollution, and premature aging. They also improve circulation, which means more nutrients reach your skin cells. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or eat them as a snack. Blueberries have more antioxidants than almost any other fruit. One handful a day can make a difference. Number 2. Avocados, nature's moisturizer. Avocados are loaded with vitamin E, a key antioxidant that keeps your skin hydrated, soft, and smooth. They're also rich in healthy fats, especially omega-9s, which help reduce inflammation and support skin repair. Spread on toast, blend into a smoothie, or enjoy them in a salad. Skin tip: the good fats in avocados help your skin retain moisture, keeping it plump and youthful. Number 3. Spinach. The green glow giver spinach is a leafy green powerhouse full of beta-carotene, vitamin C, and lutein. These antioxidants help repair skin cells, even out skin tone, and fight off free radicals that age your skin. Add it to your sandwiches, saute it with garlic, or blend it into green juices. Did you know? Just 1 cup of raw spinach contains more than half your daily dose of vitamin A. Great for glowing skin. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Yes, really. Here's some sweet news. Dark chocolate, with 70% or more cocoa, is rich in flavonoids which protect the skin from UV damage, improve hydration, and boost circulation. Just 1 to 2 small squares a day are enough. Don't overdo it. Too much sugar can cancel out the benefits. Quick tip: choose organic, low-sugar options for the best skin-boosting effect. Number 5. Tomatoes, your natural sunscreen. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from sunburn and reduces the appearance of fine lines. Cooking tomatoes actually increases lycopene levels, so tomato sauces, soups, and even ketchup, in moderation, are great. Enjoy them raw in salads or cooked in pasta and stews. Lycopene also improves skin texture and elasticity. So to recap, your skin will love these 5 antioxidant-rich foods. Blueberries fight aging and sun damage. Avocados keep skin soft and hydrated. Spinach supports repair and glow. Dark chocolate improves hydration and protection. Tomatoes boost elasticity and defend against and glow. Dark chocolate improves hydration and protection. Tomatoes boost elasticity and defend against sun damage. Glowing skin really does start from within. Eat smart, stay hydrated, and your skin will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and beauty tips every week. Let me know in the comments which one of these skin-friendly foods is already in your kitchen. Until next time, stay radiant.